little butterfly. Are you my new friend who is going to take me on new adventures? Let's go together. Yes, the flowers are so beautiful. Look at all the flowers. Let's pick the prettiest one. Okay, but be very gentle with the petals.
Why you pluck the flowers? It is our food.
Okay, I am sorry. I will not do it again.
Hello, little girl. It is nice to meet you. Do you like my vibrant colors in your garden?
Oh, yes. I am going back to home. Goodbye. See you again.